right behind you.
Victor's leaving.
Monica, Victor's leaving.
I know, he's going home.
He's going for the front door. He's going out to the city.
What? Oh, my...
That's full.
Hey, on behalf of the Discovery Store, I want to give you this little blue squishy. You squish it, it's good luck.
A digital camera for cousin.
I don't know where you're going, Victor, but these will keep your feet warm when you get there.
Okay, everybody in position?
We're here.
That's it. Secure the door.
Yellow, your favorite color. So you're always...
Sorry, Victor. Take him, Judge.
Hold it, Victor. Take it easy. You see those doors? Those are the entry doors to New York City, to the United States of America. Turn around. It's snowing in the city, and you're gonna need that. Good luck.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, no.
I'm gonna miss you.
Try not to get stuck wherever you're going.
Arrest him! Arrest him! God damn it!